Hi class, I wanted to talk about formatting the tables, specifically for your pre-lab in this example here. Once again, this is going to show up in all of your labs really, is formatting the tables like this. This is really what I'm looking um, for the tables here on out. So this is what it looks like, what I gave you in the lab manual. This is what I'm looking for also in the assignment I gave you. Look like this. Okay, and what I'd like you to do is we're just going to highlight the whole table here. So we're going to highlight the table. What I'm looking for is a line above the kind of the names of each column, and then a line below, and then also a line below all the way down at the bottom. Really, those are the only lines and the only horizontal lines I'm looking for. I don't want any vertical lines at all with the specific format I'm looking for. Okay. So once I highlight here, what I'm going to look for is I'm going to look at table design. When I look at table design, I'm going to pull up all of table design here. Okay. What I'm looking for once again is a line above and a line below. Really, with this, it doesn't have specifically a line below the names on the specific columns. So I'm just going to click on this example here, and there's a whole bunch of different colors. But basically it says a list table 6 with this, so it's basically the sixth one down on the list of tables. So I'm going to click this here, and it's going to look something like this to begin with here. Okay, like I said, I want a line underneath the names of each column as well. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the names on each column, and then I go up to borders here. Okay, it's nice because the border actually is the one that I'm looking for is already highlighted, so I'm going to click that. And then it goes right below the names on there. Okay, this spacing is really close to that line, so I might change the spacing just a little bit here. Okay, but right now it's the right formatting. So really, if you're looking for what kind of formatting you're looking at, like we discussed in the lab manual, this is exactly it. I just want to change the spacing just a little bit. So what I'm going to do here is actually just go to layout, and so I click on layout. Okay. Basically, it's talking about spacing before or spacing after. Basically, with this example, I want to see spacing before. Okay, so I'm just going to go up a little bit, so just gain a little bit more space for the numbers here. I'm going to go up, it's going to go to 6-point font, and then we see that little space show up here. Okay, really formatting the tables is really easy. Okay, we're going to just basically, the pre-lab I'm giving you these examples here, but really later on we're going to be developing the data and we're going to plug it into the tables. But this is the specific formatting I'm looking for. Once again, hopefully this is helpful for later on for all the labs. But once again, this is the specific formatting I'm looking for.